Hello Cancerians and welcome to your July 2020 love readings. So let's see what does the month of July has in store for your love and romance. Alright, so please keep in mind, as I always say, that this is a purely general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take it however it resonates, alright? And for any of your personalized session consultations or needs, you can clearly visit me on my website Divine Enchantress or the Instagram or Facebook links that are mentioned below. Alright, so let's see Cancerians, what do we have in store for your July love reading. Also, please keep check that I keep posting the weekly reading. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do it. Alright, so this is for Cancer for the month of July 2020 love and romance. So we have, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Beautiful. And let's shuffle. Alright, so let's see what can be in detail store for Cancer for the month of July 2020. And every Monday Indian Standard Time, as I said, the weekly goes live. So for your general overall health, wealth and hearts reading, so you can always check that out, Cancer. Alright, so let's see in detail what we have for Cancer for the month of July 2020. These two have come out, great. And beautiful Cancer, beautiful. So Cancer, you have and also yes, let's juggle for one rune stone for your month of July 2020. So let's see Cancer, we have beautiful, we have Fehu coming out for you, and which is a rune stone. If you all are into runes, then you must know that for those who do not know, the rune stones are very old ancient Scandinavian divination tools which are very accurate and are widely used in Europe. So let's see, as well as now it's the practice has spread to other continents as well. So let's see, so we have Fehu over here, and for Cancer we have, I see Cancer, in the past you've been very disappointed. Maybe you've had offers coming to you and you did not really approve of those offers, or you were just not, open to accepting something new or a different change coming through to you, Cancer. This is what I see for you. But overall, as I go in depth with your reading, you have this fear of, not putting yourself into a depressed or a self-trap mode again. But the overall theme this in the month of July, Cancer, for you is, it is safe for you to love. So even if you are a cross watcher watching for your beloved Cancer, I would say that your special person is really scared of investing their feelings, Cancer. So I can see that you are so scared to invest your feelings, or you could be actually going through, you could be checking all the details about this special person of yours, and you are doing everything to make sure that this person is a safe investment, is a safe bet for you. But overall, as we have at the ultimatum card of today is the 10 of Cups, and this is so beautiful, Cancer. So this shows that there is contentment, and you will, this relationship or this particular person you have in mind, Cancer, is gonna help make you believe in things, in the possibility of contentment and peace. So over here, that even if things are not exactly as per your expectations, or they're far different than what you would want to believe or you would want to invest in, but this person is so beautiful inside out that there's so much peace. So I definitely feel, Cancer, for those who are single and who are crushing on someone or have someone on their mind, then it is purely safe for you to love. Alright, Cancerian. So I would say this month's message is, pretty out there. So July, Cancer, if you actually wish to open your heart to someone, to speak your truth, or just acknowledge yourself with someone else's feelings about you, then this is purely safe, Cancer, and this is so beautiful. So it is really safe for you to love in this month of July. And if you have feeling, because we have the blessings of Fehu over here, so this shows a lot of peace, contentment, domestic happiness. I'm sorry, this, I have a windy room. So yes, so you have a lot of peace, contentment and harmonious relationship over here, Cancer. For those who are already in a relationship, or who are, going through an ups and downs phase, then it is safe for you to, invest. It is safe for you to communicate your feelings. It is, overall it is a very safe bet for you, Cancer, in the month of July. So if you have felt disappointed in the past, and you are, I would say for most of you, this is a very peaceful time. So the month is bringing in a lot of peaceful energy, a lot of contentment. Finally, as you can see, this family does not have much, but they're just happy to see the rainbow, and that's like a very mere thing of nature, which gives them, both happiness as well as contentment and peace. So exactly that is the message for you this month, Cancer. I feel you getting this contentment and peace from this person. And I genuinely feel, Cancer, that the month of July could actually bring in a lot of unexpected surprises and beautiful positive changes for you. But it is mandatory that you open your heart and you know that this is safe for you to love. So it is actually, the energies are far more positive. The door is right there in front of you. You either have to knock or just walk in. It depends on what case you are going through. So I hope this resonates with you, and I really apologize if this doesn't resonate, Cancer. And as I say, these are general readings, and I hope you all are in the safety of your homes. If this does resonate, then please to like and subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. We are soon to cross the 400 mark, and the more the merrier. This family is such a bliss to connect to, and it does motivate a lot to continue with the work. So thank you so much for watching, Cancer, and I hope that you all have a very blessed month of July 2020. Be very safe and be content and happy. Thank you so much, and bye bye. See you soon.